Good day, applicant A1200247.
Good day, ma'am and sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Concepcion Apuesa, 37 years old. I am married. We are family is 8 and 6. I'm graduate and high school graduate, Nabutas, Pinamalayan, Oriental, Mindoro. I'm Catholic.
Do you have any work experience sa Mess Calvert na Philippines or abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I'm experienced and Kuwait. I finished 2 years. Their family is 4, 1 couple and 2 kids. Boy 3 years old and 9 years old. The kids I prepare for food and prepare their school uniform and send them and as I help them assignment, and of course I will play sometimes them.
Why do you want to go abroad?
Because I want to help, I want to give good life and my family, especially to my 2 kids.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, only music and to my focus and my work.
Do you have any message in future employer?
Ma'am and sir, if you take me, I promise you I will do the best in my work because of my family. So please, ma'am, and I promise you I finish my contract and I hope to see you soon, ma'am.
Thank you and good luck.